Alright guys, so you just cleaned your car and you got steel rotors, and some performance cars have steel rotors. They don't have carbon ceramic brakes. And you go to the car meet, you stop, and you notice this orange like dust all over your wheel. That's rust. Now your car may be brand new, but steel rotors, as soon as they get water on them, there's like a layer of rust that starts to pop off on there. And I know it's really frustrating because it happened to me, and I've always looked for something like how to stop that. So usually when I wash the car, I would just drive it back and forth kind of slow and just hit the brakes on it to get it off so that it doesn't blow off on there. So I don't know how I came across it, but I got the solution for you guys right now. Now, I came across Hydes Rustopper. That's what this is right here. This stuff is, about to use it right now for the first time and see what happens. It says to, after cleaning the wheel and braking system, rinse thoroughly with water while brake rotor is still wet. Spray Rustopper liberally on brake rotor surface in a sweeping motion and allow to dry. Finally, wipe off any excess liquid inside the wheel. Keep away from sparks, open flames, all that good stuff. So we're going to spray it on and we're going to do that. See what happens here. Help if I opened it, I guess, right? But yeah, I came across this. I don't remember who or what, how I saw it, but yeah. Now we're going to do exactly what it says. We are going to let it dry and see if it actually works. We'll be back. So we've sprayed it on. It's looks like it's dried. There's a little bit of a brown tint on it. So what I'm going to do is I'll drive it forward and back, because right here where the pad hits the rotor, I want to make sure that doesn't turn orange either. So I'm going to jump in the car, drive it back and forward. This is how we're going to get the rust off. Spray the Rustopper on and then do this. Alright guys, so we're back and we've stopped and yeah, so a little different position than it was before, but you can see there's it's not brown. I got all that rust off. It actually works. Let me bring you guys in here closer, see if you can see that. So you can see it's actually just the steel color. All of that is gone. It actually worked really well. So yeah, if you're looking to get that, if you're looking for that, to get that rust off your brakes, so when you go to your car meets, whatever it is you guys are doing, and you're tired of it, turning your stuff brown and blowing all that out. Like, look here. Here's a front one, another look at this one. So again, you know, this is really good stuff. I mean, it's all that rust is off. Actually, that rotor looks extremely clean. It looks more clean than it did before I washed the car. Actually, that stuff, that's awesome. And you saw me drive it back and forth, so it didn't affect the braking at all. This stuff works really well. Again, this is the Hydes Rustopper anti-rust solution for wheels and braking systems. And here it is, guys, right here for you. Hydes Rustopper. Highly recommend you guys pick this up, especially if you have steel rotors and not carbon ceramic. The carbon ceramic doesn't really do this, the rusting effect from the water, but this steel rotors, they do. So very, very clean. Check that out. That is amazing right there. So you wash your car, you want to go cars and coffee, car meets, anything like that, hit it with this when it's still wet and dry up your car, and you won't have to worry about that blowing out all that rust anymore. So, all right, so this stuff, guys, right here, highly recommend it. Yeah, we're close to the partnership, still grinding. So when you're watching this, hopefully we have it, you know, but if not, we're almost there. So make sure to like the video, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, as well as I'll have links to this in the description below, as well as the link to my Amazon storefront. You can pick up all kinds of stuff there. Till next time, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See ya. Bye.